The Furnulem Queen Bed Frame QB-2000 is designed with a convenient storage headboard that features both power outlets and USB ports, allowing easy charging of your devices. With its smart RGB LED light strips, this bed frame offers a vibrant atmosphere with thousands of color options, easily controlled through a mobile app or remote. Constructed with a solid metal frame and multiple support legs, this bed provides exceptional stability and is capable of supporting over 1,000 pounds. The bed's headboard and footboard are not only stylish but also functional, keeping your mattress in place and providing ample underbed storage space for your belongings. Its minimalist industrial design, crafted from iron and engineered wood, complements various decor styles and is easy to assemble with clear instructions. Furnulem ensures a noise-free experience with memory foam strips to prevent metal-on-metal contact, making this bed frame a quiet and comfortable choice for any bedroom.